Updating your legal name on MEXC is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your MEXC account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the profile settings, find the option to update your legal name. This may be labeled as change name or edit personal information. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Prepare and upload any necessary documents that verify your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, court order, or government-issued ID. Step 5. Submit your requests. After filling in the new name and uploading documents, submit your requests for review. You should receive a confirmation email once the change has been processed. Make sure to check your email for updates on the status of your name change. Following these steps will help you update your legal name on MEXC efficiently.